If you want to fix the yellow or orange screen on a POCO M8 Pro, first of all we can open Settings. Next, scroll down until you find Display and Brightness. Let's go over here, and then we should be able to find the first option that we should check, and that is the reading mode, which usually turns our screen yellow or orange-ish. Now you might have the schedule created, or maybe the reading mode is just enabled. Nevertheless, you just want to turn it off, and there we go. In my case, it is already fixed. And in addition to that, another setting that we can check is the color scheme in here. More precisely, you might want to switch, for example, from advanced settings or anything else to, let's say, Vivid or Original Color Pro, depending which one you like the most. And besides that, we have the color temperature wheel, which can also make the screen look slightly different. As you can see now, I have this bluish color, so you might want to tap on the default over here in order to fix this issue, if of course applicable. Subscribe to my channel.